verbs. What are helping verbs? A helping verb is a verb that comes before the main verb in a sentence. We can also say that a helping verb always stands in front of a main verb. Helping verbs are also called auxiliary verbs. Now let's understand this better with the help of few examples. Children are going to school. In this sentence, the word going is the main verb, as it describes the action happening. And the word are is the helping verb, as it has come before the main verb. So are is the helping verb. I am eating my breakfast. In this sentence, the word eating is the main verb, as it describes the action happening. And am is the helping verb. My mother is cooking. In this sentence, the word cooking is the main verb, as it describes the action. And is the helping verb, because it has come before the main verb. Similarly, in this sentence, we should exercise daily. Exercise is the main verb and should is the helping verb. Now let's see few more helping verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, be, been, has, had, may, can, do, will, does, have, did, must, being, might, and should. These are few more helping verbs. Underline the helping verbs in the given sentences. John is playing with his dog. Is the helping verb. Ria is running. Ria will be running. Ria was running. Is, will be, and was are helping verbs. You should finish your meal. Here should is the helping verb. Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.